Hello guys, in this class I am going to start pair of linear equations in two variables. We will discuss the concept and related problems. Now let us start this unit with this question. We have been given solve the following pair of equations. This is pair of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. We have to convert them into linear equations. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 equal to 1. Two equations are given. Now start solving this. Here we have one variable x, we have variables. Here we have variable x and variable y. Usually what happens, this variable will be in numerator here, but in this case we have this variable x and y in denominator, and we have same pattern for these two variables x minus 1, y minus 2, y minus 2, and both these variables are in denominator, but actually we want this variables in numerator, so we have to convert this into numerator. Let us write this term as 5 into write down 1 divided by x minus 1, this term, plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 2. Write down this equation as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2. Similarly, write down 6 into 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 1. These two terms are same in these two equations. We have two equations and two variables. So two equation and two variable can be solved. So for simplicity, let us assume this term as 1 by x minus 1 as a, and this 1 divided by y minus 2, take this term as b. So this equation will become 5 into a, this value is taken as a, plus this value is b. 5a plus b is equals to 2, and this will become 6. This is taken as a, 6a minus 3, this value is taken as b. So 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. We have this equation. Let us take this as equation 1 and this equation as 2. Now we will solve these two equations. Solve equation 1 and equation 2. We have so many methods to solve linear equation. Let us solve by elimination method. By elimination method, write down this equation here. 5a plus b is equals to 2, and below this write down this equation 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. Here we have plus sign, here we have minus sign, and the coefficient of this plus b is 1. So write down 1 here, and here the coefficient of b is 3. Write down 3 here. Now multiply these two numbers to this equation. Multiply this number to the complete equation. We have 3 into 5, 15a, 3 into b, 3b, 3 into 2, we have 6. 1 into 6a is 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. Now we have same variables 3b and 3b. This can be easily solved just by adding. If we add these two equations, then we will get 15 plus 6. We have 21a. 21a plus 3b minus 3b will get cancelled. 6 plus 1 we have 7. Now A value will be 7 divided by 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So we have A value as 1 divided by 3. Substitute A value in equation 2. We can substitute here also. We have 6 into A. 6A minus 3B is equals to 1. 6 into, we have A value as 1 by 3 minus 3B is equals to 1. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So we have 2 into 1 2 minus 3B is equals to 1. Send this to that side. We have 3B 1 minus 2. Minus 1, this minus 1 cancel. We have B value as 1 divided by 3. We got A value as 1 by 3, B value as 1 by 3. We have suppose A value as 1 by x minus 1. So A value is 1 by x minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply, we have x minus 1 into 1, we have x minus 1 is equals to 3 into 1, we have 3. Send this here, we have x is equals to 3 plus 1, that is x is equals to 4. This is the value of the variable x. Similarly, B value we have taken 1 by y minus 2. B value is 1 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 1 by 3. Cross multiply y minus 2 into 1, we have y minus 2. 3 into 1, we have 3. Now send this here, we have y is equals to 3 plus 2, that is y is equals to 5. So we got variable x and y. Now the solution is over. Solve means we have to get the value of the variables. So we got the variables x and y. So solution is over. Solve 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1. Solve means get values of variables x and y. Solve means getting the values of variables x and y. Usually this variable x and this variable y will be in numerator, but here these variables are in denominator. So we have to rearrange this equation, we have to modify this equation, and then we will solve this equation. Now this can be written as 5 into 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 2. Similarly, write down this equation as 6 into 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. Now we have same variables 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1, 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2. Similar terms are there. So let us suppose this terms 1 by x minus 1 as a and 1 by y minus 2 as b. For simplicity, we are taking these values as a and b. So this equation will become 5 into a plus this value is b. 5a plus b is equals to 2. Let us take this as equation 1. Similarly, this equation will become 6 into a minus b is equals to 1. We have equation 1 and equation 2. Let us solve equation 1 and 2 by any of the methods. Here I am going to solve by substitution method. From equation 1, get b value. Out of this a and b, select variable which has coefficient 1. Here we have 1b, so select this b. B is equals to 2 minus 5a. Substitute this b value in equation 2. Substitute b value in equation 2. We have 6a minus b. So b value is 2 minus 5a is equals to 1. Now we have 6a, multiply the minus sign, minus 2, minus into minus plus 5a is equals to 1. 6 plus 5 we have 11a. Send this 2 to that side, it will become plus 2. So we have 1 plus 2. 11a is equals to 3. We have a is equals to 3 divided by 11. We got a value as 3 by 11. Put a value in equation 1 or 2. Let us take 2 in equation 2. We have 6a. 6a, a value is 3 by 11 minus b is equals to 1. Now multiply 6 into 3, we have 18 by 11 minus b equal to 1. So minus b value is 1 minus 18 divided by 11. Minus b is equals to, take LCM here, we have 11. 1 into 11 is 11, 11 ones are 11, minus 1 into 18 is 18. Now we have minus b value as 18 minus 11, we have 7. Minus 7 by 11, this minus get cancelled, we have b value as 7 by 11. Here we want x and y values, not a and b values. So this a value, a we have taken as 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1 value is 3 by 11. Cross multiply 3 into x, we have 3x, 3 into 1 minus 3. 1 into 11, we have 11. Send this here, we have 3x is equals to 11 plus 3. So 3x value is 14. X value will be 14 divided by 3. This is the value of x. Similarly, b value we have taken as 1 by y minus 2. 1 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 7 divided by 11. Multiply here 7 into 11. 7 by 7 into y, 7 by 7 into 2, 14 is equals to 1 into 11, we have 11. Send this here, we have 7 pi is equals to 11 plus 14. 7 pi is equals to, we have 25. So we have pi value is 25 divided by 7. This is the value of this variable y. So we have x value as 14 by 3, y value as 25 by 3. Draw the graph for the following pair of linear equations in two variables and find their solution from the graph. 2x plus y equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y equal to 4. Given 2x plus y is equals to 5. In order to draw the graph, let us make y as a subject. Y is equals to 5. Send this 2x to that side, it will become 5 minus 2x. We will suppose certain values of x and we will substitute here. So we will take x value and y we have 5 minus 2x, and last we will make columns, first column, second column, and we have third column. Here we will take order pair x comma y. Let us suppose the value of x is 0. Then the y will be, here we have 5 minus 2 into x. X value we have taken 0. So we have 2 into 0, 0. 5 minus 0, we have 5. So the order pair is 0, 5. Now let us increase the value of x. Let us take the value of x as 1. So here we will have 5 minus 2 into x value is 1. So we have 2 into 1, 2. 5 minus 2, we have 3. We have 1, 3 as the order pair. Let us increase the value of x as 2. Now this will become 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 into x. X value is 2. So put 2 here. 2 to the 4. 5 minus 4 we have 1. So we have 2 comma 1. Now take x value as 3. So we have 5 minus 2 into x value is 3. X value is 3. X value is 3. So we have 2 3s are 6. 5 minus 6 we have minus 1. So we have 3 comma minus 1. These are the certain values of order pair. Now for second equation we have 3x minus 2y equal to 4. From this get the value of y. We have minus 2y is equals to 4. Send this 3x here, we have minus 3x. Now y is equals to 4 minus 3x divided by, send this minus 2 here, we have minus 2. Multiply this minus sign to numerator, then we have minus into minus plus 3x, minus into plus we have minus 4 divided by 2. Just change the sign of numerator. We have y value as 3x minus 4 by 2. For this also we will make 3 columns, x value and y value and order pair. Y here is 3x minus 4 divided by 2. Now x comma y order pair. Let us take value of x as 0. Then y will become 3 into 0. We have 3 into 0 minus 4 divided by 2. So 3 zeros are 0. Minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 value is minus 2. So we have 0 comma minus 2. Next, take the value of x as 1. We have x value as 1. So 3 into 1 minus 4 divided by 2. We have 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 2. So we have 1 comma minus 1 by 2. Fractional values there. So leave it. Now take x value as 2. Now this in 3 into x value is 2. 3 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 we have 2 divided by 2. We will get value as 1. So we have 2 comma 1. Look at here. We have 2 comma 1 order pair here also. This 2 comma 1. Here also we have 2 comma 1. It means that the solution for this equations is 2 comma 1. Now let me write down one more value of x, 3. So 3 into x value we have taken 3. So 3 minus 4 divided by 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 4 we have 5. 5 divided by 2. That is 3 comma 5 by 2. Now let us draw the graph for this. Now we got all the order pairs of this questions. Now let us plot in the Cartesian coordinate system. We have this Cartesian coordinate system. This is the origin. Here we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because here we have taken 0, 1, 2, 3. So up to 3 we have to take. Here we have maximum value as 5. So I have taken 5 as the maximum value. Let us plot this point at 0 comma 5. X value is 0 and here we have 5. So this is 0. At 0 we have 5. So at 0 we have 5 means this is the value. So this is the point 0 comma 5. Now the second is 1 comma 3. This is 1. I should reach up to 3. So this is the value of 1 comma 3. The value of x is 1. Value of y is 3. So this is 1 comma 3 and we have 2 comma 1. This is 2. We have to go up to 1. We have 2 comma 1. The next value is 3 comma minus 1. So this is 3 minus 1. Minus 1 is below this axis. We have this. Now if we join this points, we will get a straight line. Yeah, after joining these points, we will get this straight line. The name of this line is 2x plus y is equals to 5. So this is 2x plus y is equals to 5 line. Similarly, we will plot second line. Here we have 0, 0 comma minus 2. So this is 0, minus 2. X value is 0. Y value is minus 2. So minus 2 is below the line. So here we have this point 0 comma minus 2. Leave this point 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1, here 2 is there, 1 is there. So again this point is plotted. Now we have these 2 points. If we join these 2 points, we will get a straight line, that is second straight line. This is 3x minus 2y is equals to 4. These 2 points intersect at 2 comma 1. So this point is 2 comma 1. This is the solution for this line. Hence we can say that the given 2 lines intersects at 2 comma 1. So solution set is 2 comma 1. Draw the graph for the following pair of equations in 2 variables. Find their solution from the graph. Now we have done this kind of question. Get the value of y from equation 1. We have minus 2y is equals to 2 minus 3x. Now y will be y is equals to 2 minus 3x divided by, send this minus 2 here. Now y will become, multiply this minus sign to numerator, so it will become minus into minus plus, minus into plus will become minus. So this will become 3x minus 2 divided by 2. We have y as a subject. Let us take x, next y is equals to 3x minus 2 divided by 2. Now we have order pair x comma y. Let us suppose the value of x as 0. Now we have 3 into 0, 3 into x value is 0, minus 2 divided by 2. 3 into 0 we have 0, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 by 2 value is minus 1. So we got order pair as 0 comma minus 1. Let us take the value of x as 1. We have 3 into 1 minus 2 divided by 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 2 we have 1. 1 by 2. This is a fractional value, so leave this point. Let us take x value as 2. We have 3 into 2 minus 2 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 2 we have 4. 4 by 2 we have 2. So we have 2 by 2 as the order pair, 2 comma 2. Let us take 3 here. Now x value is 3. 3 into 3 minus 2 divided by 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 we have 7. 7 by 2. Fraction value. So leave this. Take 4. 3 into 4 minus 2 divided by 2. We have 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 2 we have 10. 10 by 2 5. So this value is 4 comma 5. We got some order pairs 0 1 2 3 4. Now let us draw for this equation. We have 2x plus y equal to 6. Make y as subject. Y is equals to 6 minus 2x. For this we will draw, we'll make a tabular column for this. Take x, next y is equals to 6 minus 2x. Now order pair x comma y. Take x value 0, put here 6 minus 2 into x value is 0. This will become 2 into 0 is 0. So we have 6. 0 comma 6 is the first order pair. Take x value as 1. We have 6 minus 2 into 1. 6 minus 2 we have 4. So we have 1 comma 4. Take x value 2. 6 minus 2 into 2. 2 to the 4. 6 minus 4 we have 2. 2 comma 2. Now we have same order pair. Here we have 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 2. So this is the intersecting point of these two lines. We got the solution, but still we will do some more values. Take 3. We have 6 minus 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 we have 0. So we have 3 comma 0. Now we have order pairs. Let us plot this point on the Cartesian coordinate system. Now plotting this point in the Cartesian coordinate system, we have point, first point 0 comma minus 1. Here we have 0, minus 1 is here. So this is the first point. Value of x is 0, value of y is minus 1. So we have 0 minus 1. 2 comma 2, positive 2, this is 2, and up to y2. So this is the second point we have. Third point is 4 comma 5. This is 4, value of 4 up to 5. This is the value of 4 comma 5. We have 3 points. Now we will join these points, we will get a straight line. Now I have joined these points, we will get a straight line. The name of this straight line is 3x. This is 3x minus 2y is equals to 2. This is the straight line passing through 3 points. Let us plot this line also. 0, 6. Here we have 0 and here 6 will be there. So 0, 6. This is the point. Next we have 1, 4. 1 up to 4. Next we have 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Again we have to plot this point. Now 3 comma 0. This is 3 and y value is 0. 3 0. Same point. So if we join these 3 points, we will get straight line. So this is the straight line going through this point. These two lines intersect at this point 2 comma 2. This point is 2 comma 2. Hence we can say that two given lines intersect at 2 comma 2. So this is the solution. Solution is 2 comma 2. Also we can write down scale. On x-axis we have 1 centimeter is 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is also 1 unit. Draw the graph for the following pair of linear equations. We have given 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Point of intersection is required. Area of triangle formed by these lines and x-axis is required. Extra 2 bits are asked. Now we have given equation 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Make y as the subject. Send y here. We have y is equals to 3x minus 2. Now make 3 columns for x, y, and order pair xy. Take x value as 0. So 3 into 0 minus 2. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 we have minus 2. So first pair is 0 comma minus 2. Take x value as 1. So we have 3 into x value is 1 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 we have 1. So 1 comma 1. Next is take x value 2. So 3 into x value is 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 4. We have 2 comma 4. Take x value 3. 3 into x value 3 minus 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 7. So we have 3 comma 7. Now second equation is 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Make y as the subject. So y will be on the left hand side. Send this 8 to that side. It will become plus 8. This will become minus 2x. Now take x column. Next y column. Order pair x comma y. Take x value 0. We have 8. 8 minus 2 into x. X value is 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. So we have 0, 8 as the answer. Take y value is 1. So we have 8 minus 2 into 1. 8 minus 2 we have 6. So 1, 6. Take x value 2. 8 minus 2 into x value is 2. So 2 to the 4. 8 minus 4 we have 4 only. So we have 4. So this will become 2, 4. Take x value 3. 8 minus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 8 minus 6. 2. So we have 3, 2. Now let us plot this point on the Cartesian coordinate system. Now let us start plotting these points into the graph. We have 0, minus 2. Here we have 0. Minus 2 is below this graph. So this is the point 0, minus 2. 1, 1. Here we have 1 up to 1. This is one more point. Next is 2, 4. 2 and up to 4. So this is the value 2, 4. Let us plot these points. Now we have plotted first line, that is 3x minus y. This is 3x minus y is equals to 2. First line. Now let us plot the second point, second line, 0, 8. Here we have 0 up to 8. So this will become here only 0 and 8. 1, 6. Here we have 1 and 6 means here. So this is the second point. 2, 4. This is the common point, I think. 2, 4. Here we have 2, 4. Okay. This is 2 and 4. This is a common point we have. This is the solution since these two values are same. So 2, 4 is the solution for these lines. Now we have 3, 2. This is 3 and the value is 2 here. Now we will join these 3 points. We will get a straight line. Now I have plotted 2 lines. First line, this line represent 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, and this line is 2x. This line is 2x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0. These two intersect at a common point, that is 2, 4. So this is the intersecting point. The first bit is intersecting point. Intersecting point is 2, 4. Second bit, we have area of the triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. So we have to find the area between this triangle. Now we require area of triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. We have x-axis and these 2 points are required. We have this triangle. Let us name this triangle as this point is A. The value of this point is 2, 4. Now here this line intersect at this point. So this point let us take as B, and here it will intersect at this point, let us take as C. We have 3 points A, B, C. We require coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate of this point so that we can find the area of this triangle. Here we have first line 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the first line. This line is passing through x-axis. this line is touching the x-axis at this point. So we know that on x-axis y value will be 0. So for this point y value is 0. We want x value only. So put x 0. Put y 0, then we will get x value. So this will become 3x minus 0 minus 2 equal to 0. So we have 3x minus 2 equal to 0. X is equals to 2 by 3. So this value is 2 by 3. We got point B. Similarly, we want point C. Point C is also on x-axis. So on x-axis y value will be 0. We want x coordinate. Second line we have 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. I want the point of intersection of this line and x-axis. So put y here 0. We have 2x is equals to 8. So x is equals to 8 by 2, that is 4. So this value is 4, 0. Obviously in graph also we can see that here 4 is there. So we got 3 points A, B, C. By using these points we will get the area of the triangle by using a formula. Now for area of triangle, we have area is given by 1 by 2 mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So A is equals to 1 by 2 x1. Let us take this as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now we want x1. x1 value is 2. y2 value is 0 minus y3. y3 is also 0 plus x2. x2 value is 2 by 3 into y3. y3 value is 0 minus y1. y1 is 4 plus x3. x3 value is 4 into y1. y1 value is 4 minus y2. y2 value is 0. So we have 1 by 2 mod 0 into 2 is 0. Now we have plus into minus, we have minus sign. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 by 3 plus 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 into 4 we have 16 under mod. So we have 1 by 2. Take LCM here. We have 3. Here we have 8. 3 into 16. 6 3s are 18. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 we have 4. 48. So we have 48 minus 8, 40. So area A is equals to 1 by 2 mod 40 by 3. So this will become, cancel this, 2 1s are 2, 20s are. So we have 20 by 3 square units as the area of the triangle. Draw the graph of the equation 2x minus 3y equal to 5, 4x minus 6y equal to 15 on the graph and check whether they are consistent or not. Given 2x minus 3y equal to 5. Now this can be written as 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. Compare this equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. We have a1 value as 2, b1 value as minus 3, c1 value as minus 5. We got a, b, c values. Similarly, we have second equation 4x minus 6y minus 15 equal to 0. Compare this equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. We have a2 value as 4, b2 value as minus 6, c2 value as minus 15. Here consistency is to be checked. Let us find a1 by a2. 2 divided by 4. that is 1 by 2. Now find b1 by b2. We have b1 value is minus 3 divided by minus 6. So we have 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2. Next calculate C1 by C2. Always calculate the ratio A1 by 2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Minus 5 divided by minus 15. So we have 1 by 3. It means that these two are equal, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So these values are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to 1 by 3. These two are equal, not equal to this. So not equal to C1 by C2. This condition holds for parallel lines like this. Parallel lines will be of this. Parallel lines never intersect, so they never intersect. That is inconsistent. We won't get any solution for parallel lines. Let us draw and verify it. Verifying it. We have first equation. Get the value of y from there. Get y value. We have send this 3y to that side. So we have 3y is equals to 5 minus we have 2x minus 5. So we have 3y is equals to 2x minus 5. Y value will be 2x minus 5 divided by 3. So from first equation we have y value as 2x minus 5 by 3. Take x value, next y value, that is 2x minus 5 divided by 3. Now take x comma y order pair. Take x value 0, put x 0 here, 2 into 0 minus 5 by 3. This will become minus 5 by 3. Take x value 1, we have 2 into 1 minus 5 by 3. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 5. So minus 3 by 3. We have minus 1. So 1 comma minus 1 we have. Now let us take x value 2. 2 into 2 minus 5 divided by 3. 2 to the 4. 4 minus 5 we have minus 1 by 3. Take 3. 2 into 3 minus 5 divided by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5 we have 1 by 3. Take x value 4. So it will become 2 4s are 8. Let us take 4. 2 into 4 minus 5 by 3. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 5 we have 3. 3 by 3 we have 1. So we have 4 comma 1. We got two order pairs. That is enough to draw a line. Now we have second equation. Send this 6y to that side. We have 6y is equals to 4x minus 15. Now y value will be 4x minus 15 divided by 6. Take x. Now y value is 4x minus 15 divided by 6. Now x comma y order pair. Take 0. We have 4 into 0 minus 15 by 6. 4 into 0 minus 15 divided by 6. Now cancel this. We have 3 2s are 3 5s are. So we have minus 5 by 2. So we have 0 comma minus 5 by 2 means minus 2.5. Now take x value as 1. 4 into 1 minus 15 divided by 6. 15 minus 4 we have minus 11 by 6. Take 2. 4 into 2 minus 15 by 6. 4 into 2 is 8. 15 minus 8 we have 7. Minus 7 by 6. Take x value 3. 4 into 3 minus 15 divided by 6. 4 3s are 12. 15 minus 12, we have minus 3. Minus 3 by 6. 1 za, 2 za. So we have minus 1 by 2. That is 3 comma minus 0.5. These 2 points are enough to draw or to plot the graph. Now let us plot this point. For this equation, 1 comma minus 1. Here we have 1 and minus 1 is here. So we will have this point here. Next we have 4 comma 1. Here we have 4 and 1 is here. So if I join these 2 points, I will get a straight line. This is the straight line given by 2x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. First equation. Now the second, 0 comma minus 2.5. Here we have 0 minus 2.5. Here we have minus 2. This is 2.5 is here in between minus 2 and minus 3. So this is the point minus 0 comma minus 2 by 3. Second point is 3 comma minus 0.5. Here we have 3 and this is minus 1. In between 0 and minus 1 we have minus 0.5. So 3 to minus 0.35. Now if we join these 2 points, we will get a straight line parallel to the above line. This line is 4x minus 6y minus 15 equal to 0. These 2 lines are parallel. They never intersect. Never intersect, so these are inconsistent. Has no solution. Sum of present ages of 2 friends are 23 years. 5 years ago, product of their ages was 42. Find the ages 5 years hence. Here we are talking about present ages. Present time. Let first friend's age be x and second friend's age is y. Let us suppose in present time we have first friend age is x, second friend age is y. Here sum is given. Sum means addition. So sum of x plus y. X plus y value is given as 23 years. So we have first equation. Sum of their ages is 23. 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, their ages will be less than x and less than y by how much amount? By 5. So first friend's age will be x minus 5 because 5 years ago his age will be x minus 5. Similarly, second friend age be y minus 5. Now what is given? Product of their ages. Product means multiplication. So multiplication of these 2 values x minus 5 into y minus 5 is given as 42. Now multiply x into y, xy, x into 5, 5x, 5 into y, 5y, 5 into 5 we have plus 25 is equals to 42. Xy as it is, take minus 5 common, we have x plus 5 is equals to 42. Send this 25 here, we have minus 25. Xy minus 5 into, we have x plus 5. X plus 5 value is 23 from equation 1. So substitute here. X plus y value is 23 from equation 1. That is equals to, we have 42 minus 25. 12 minus 5 we have 7, 3 minus 2 17, we have 17 here. Now xy value will be 17. Send this term here, we have 5 into 23. We have 115. 115 plus 17, 132. So xy value is 132. We have two variables x and y. Here also we have two variables. We have two variables and two relations. So we can make use of this relation and get the solution of this equation. Now make one as one variable. Make x or y as variable. So take y is equals to 132 divided by x. Now put this value of y in equation 1. Put equation 3 in 1. We have x plus y value. Y value is 132 divided by x is equals to 23. Now take LCM. 1 into x, cross multiply x into x, x square. 1 into 32 is 132 is equals to 23. Cross multiply and take here we have x square plus 132 is equals to 23x. X square. Take this to this side, minus 23x plus 132 equal to 0. Now we have quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in x. Let us factorize it, or we can make use of a formula. Here I am factorizing it. Here we have 1 into 132, that is 132. Factors of 132 is 11 into 12. Now if we add 11 plus 12 we have 23. So x square, this 23 can be written as 11x minus 12x plus 132 as it is. Now this 23 is written as 11 and 12. Now take x common from here, we have x minus 11. Take minus 12 common, we have x minus 11 equal to 0. These two are same, take common x minus 11. We are left with x minus 12. Now equate these two factors to 0. We have x minus 11 equal to 0 and x is equals to 11 and x minus 12 equal to 0. X is equals to 12. We have two values of x. If x is 11, then y will be, we have y 132, or we can take 132 divided by 11. So it will become 11 ones are 11, 12 za. So y value will be 12. First friend age will be 11 and second will be 12. Else y value will be 132 divided by 12. Y value will be 11. So either of this is possible. X value is 12, y value is 11. But in the question what is asked? Find their ages 5 years hence. Means he wants the ages of these two friends after 5 years. Hence means after 5 years. So after 5 years, the age of first friend will be x plus 5. X plus 5. X value let us take 11. 11 plus 5 we have 16. And y age will be y plus 5. Y value is 12. 12 plus 5 we have 17. So these are the values, the ages of these two friends after 5 years. We have 16 and 17. Draw the graph of x plus y equal to 11 and x minus 5 equal to 5. Find the solution of pair of linear equations. Given x plus y is equals to 11 and x minus y is equals to 5. Now make y as subject. Y will become y is equals to 11 minus x. So take x column. Next column is y. Y is equals to 11 minus x. Now order pair x comma y. Take 0. We have 11 minus 0, that is 11. So we have 0 comma 11. Take 1. So we have 11 minus 1, that is 10. So 1 comma 10. Similarly, take 2. We have 11 minus 2, that is 9. So we have 2 comma 9. We have 3 points. Similarly, make subject as y. So y is equals to, take y here and 5 here. So we have y is equals to x minus 5. So y is equals to x minus 5. Next x comma y order pair. Take x value 0. We have 0 minus 5 as minus 5. So 0 comma minus 5. Take 1. So we have 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. 1 comma minus 4. Take 2. We have 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. So 2 comma minus 3. There are no common pairs. Let us take 3. We have 11 minus 3, that is 8. So we have 3 comma 8. Now take 3 here. We have 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. Do we find any same? No, we won't get. In such cases, what you do, we will solve this analytically. We have x plus y is equals to 11, x minus y is equals to 5. We have these two equations. Let us solve this analytically. Now we have plus sign here, minus sign here. So add these two equations. X plus x, we have 2x, plus 5 minus 5 cancel. 11 plus y, we have 16. So x value is 2 1s are, 2 8s are. So we have x value as 8. So it is better to take, don't take 4, 5, 6, 7. Directly you take value as 8. Now we have 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8, we have 3. 8 comma 3. Here also put 8. Now substitute here. We have 8 minus 5. We have 8 minus 5, 3. So 8 comma 3. So this is the correct order pair, that is the solution of this equation. So sometimes if you won't get the value, these values serially, solve it analytically, and around this value, suppose the x values, take 2 values before 8 and take 2 values after 8. Now we can plot this graph. Now let us plot these points on the graph. We have 0 comma, let us leave this point. Start from here. We have 2 comma 9. Here we have 2 and 9. So this is the point 2 9, 3 8. 3 to 8. We have this point. 8 comma 3. We have this 8 up to 3 is here. So 8 and 3 will be here. Now if we join this, we will get a straight line. This is the straight line given by x plus y is equals to 11. Similarly, we have start plotting from here 2 comma minus 3. Here we have 2, minus 3 is here. Next 3 comma minus 2. Here 3 is there, minus 2 is here. Now 8 comma 3. Here we have 8 and plus 3 is there. So this is the intersecting point. Join these 2 points, we will get the solution. This line is x minus y is equals to 5. So intersecting point is 8 comma 3. We can say this from the graph, or as well as we can say this from the table itself.